Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot today on a rocket. This espresso machine came in with a flow issue. We installed a new pump. We also cleaned and put a new inline filter in to protect any kind of sediment from going into the tank. And we also descaled the tank, used citric acid to get everything nice and clean. So let's go see how this came out. We also did a new group head and gasket, so back flushed should be a really nice, clean, well shot. There we go, look at that, that's nice. You can see the pump is right up there, about 9 bars. I'm gonna cut it just a little short. Show you the steam. Nice, strong, dry steam. It's the hot water. Just let it go right into the tray just for a quickie. There we go. Well, there you have it. It's a nice shot of coffee. Beautiful espresso machine, rocket. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.